Alright, now we're going to try to pull the rest of the center out. This part of the disassembly can get kind of tricky. Everything wants to kind of catch on you in there. You just kind of have to start pulling and wiggling to get everything out of there. If you pull down and out, that's going to give you room there. Now we can get our capping station. Oh well, not all the way out. I guess we forgot the wire here. There's this ground wire for the capping station. Alright, so now we should be free to get the capping station up and out of there. Alright, so we'll set that aside for now. Okay, now we gotta just kind of get everything start popping out of there. I was able to pop this end out and start it. Now if you look over here, if you pull the tray forward and there's a little tab, you can push that out. That's going to make that all fall. And like I said, it kind of becomes a big mess. Everything just falling out of there. So as you can see, the whole center just fell out. A lot of this, like this black piece, you don't need that. You do, however, probably want to keep this big piece right here. Just take this stuff off. So we're just going to throw this in the garbage. This piece later we'll come back to it and we'll cut it down. So when you put it back in there, we'll cut it down to here so it supports your capping station, and then this box right here, we want to support that. So put it aside for now. Got a print head over there. Now if you see down in here, we still have the paper feed roller bar in there. Right over here there's a little C-clip, and we're going to have to use a flat-headed screwdriver to pop that out of there. Now that allows us to pull this out. Now we have the roller. We want to keep all these springs and such. We're going to cut this off about here, but you want to keep this bearing and the springs, so then you can put the C-clamp back on and it'll hold your encoder wheel in place. So set that aside for now. And what's left? We have to push over there. I don't know if you can see here, but we need to work the center piece out. To do that, we need to take the two, you see the two screws on the back side here. Alright, now we can try that again. I get a little sidetracked and forget what I have and have not taken out. So now we can pop that out. And these pieces can just go in the garbage. So at this point, we have the center all cleared out. And in the next video, I'll show the different spots we're going to mark on all the parts that need to be cut. And then we'll go from there.